Where'd you sit? Oh, good girl. I love that happy white tip tail. Oh, you don't like that kind? How about this kind? Hi, smiley girl. Oh, you're so adorable. You're so adorable. Look at that tail go. Oh, happy tail, happy tail, happy tail. You following me? Hi. Good sit. That's what we do for treats. Good girl. You're adorable. You're adorable. Hi. You're such a good girl. Can you sit? Let's see your sit. Good girl. Oh, what a good girl you are. So pretty. So pretty. What a pretty girl. You look like you don't really need the treats, but I know. They're little at least. Right? Hi, pretty girl.